How to activate Holafly eSIM just on your device on your iPhone right now. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you if you have the QR code of Holafly SIM, if you have received the QR confirmation on your email ID, and if you have the QR in your gallery, then how you can easily install or activate the SIM card on your device. For this, in iPhone you should click on the setting option, and from this menu you should have click on the mobile services option, and here you can see there is an option to add an electronic SIM. You can click on this option to add electronic SIM, your Holafly SIM card on your device, and there is an option to use QR code. From this menu you can scan the QR code directly, and if you don't have it, you can click on enter details manually and enter the details received by the SIM provider, the Holafly network provider. And then this is the final step how you can activate a electronic SIM on your device. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.